Hello. In this video, I will show you how to close Telegram account permanently. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser. And then here, what you're going to do next is to simply type Telegram deactivation page. Okay, and then click the very first link that you can see here. So here it is, authorization Telegram. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down. As you can see, delete account or manage application. So all you have to do here is you have to enter the telephone number associated with a Telegram account that you want to delete. So let me enter the phone number here. Once you tap this next button here, they will send a code, and all you have to do is to enter the confirmation code that they have sent to your mobile phone or mobile number. So this is what it looks like, and this is the confirmation code. You just have to select and then copy. Now go back to your Telegram and then paste the code here. And then after that, you need to click sign in. Once you tap sign in, then you will see this your Telegram core, and all you have to do is to click this delete account. Once you tap this delete account, then you will see this delete your account. If you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted. So Telegram will give you some warnings. And then if you are 100% that you want to delete your account, you just have to enter your phone again or confirm your phone number and then tap delete my account. And then they will ask you again, are you sure? And all you have to do is to click yes, delete my account. As easy as that. Or you can also do the other way around. You can just simply open your Telegram application. Okay, so let me exit first. Open my Telegram application and then tap these three lines at the top left corner. Scroll down, tap settings, and then scroll down here. Now you have to look for privacy and security. Tap this one. Once right here in privacy and security, you have to scroll down again, and then you should see this delete my account. You can tap this if away for 24 hours, delete my account. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video tutorials.